Elegant, timeless, modern, coastal build. These are some of the words that come to mind when talking about 501 Outrigger Lane on Longboat Key. I cannot wait to show you this amazing custom 2017 TJ Nutter built home on beautiful Longboat Key. We have this on the market. Please come join me as I give you a tour of this wonderful home. This is one of those homes where you don't even know where to start looking, and the backyard oasis is so incredibly impressive that we'll just start there because look at this AstroTurf. Wow, it's really pretty much zero-scape landscaping here. You really don't have much of anything to maintain, which is amazing, and it always looks perfect. You've got this really exquisite, elegant paver system outside where it's cool to the touch because we have such hot summers here and it's hot all year round most of the year. Exquisite design, form, and function. This true large heated saltwater lap pool off of a custom fire pit. And of course, you've got your boat right here in your backyard. That's a 23-foot boat. It's also for sale. You could throw this into the deal if you wanted to. So it is for sale as well. You are at the very end of the canal here on Longboat Key. Again, coveted country club shores here. You're at the very end with peekaboo views of the bay. And just so much to talk about in terms of entertainment, indoor, outdoor living. This is truly a home that brings the outside in. When you come on inside, you will see what I mean. What a front door entry, impressive hurricane impact doors and sliding glass doors and windows throughout. You've got this, what looks to be a 2-car garage from the road. It's anything but. You could absolutely fit 4 cars tandem in this awesome garage. It is impeccably kept with custom built-in cabinetry there. You have your central vac system, even a TV for entertainment. You could certainly utilize this as a flexible gym space. There is a ton of storage as well. And if you have an electric vehicle, the charger does convey with the sale. When you come on up the stairs, it's like modern meets classic design, simple form and function again. Lightness and brightness exudes. There's walls and walls of windows and sliding glass doors here. And you cannot miss the fact that you have views from every angle of every room in this home, from the golf course views of the private, also coveted, private Longboat Key golf course. And then, of course, at night in the evening, you've got some pretty incredible, mesmerizing sunsets. So from sunrise to sunset, you've got just the sun shining through. It'd be hard to be sad or depressed in this home. You've got sun, you've got light. It's just a neutral palette from the light walls to the hardwood light flooring throughout. This home comes fully furnished. And when you look at this kitchen, what a chef's dream, truly. High-end KitchenAid appliances throughout. Absolutely exquisite cabinetry, the pantry system, stainless steel package here. It is really something to see. And just all of this indoor-outdoor space with the Trex decking. And again, views galore. Just a very easy, open, great room layout. Very conveniently, right off of the living space, you have a really beautiful spa-like half bath. And stepping out from your kitchen onto that secondary deck space there, you've got a covered lanai that is open and airy. You've got the sun beaming through, the sunsets beaming through there. And back there is also hidden another half bath. And you've got views, and more views of the water, the pool, these resort-like grounds throughout. So come on upstairs and take a look at these bedrooms. So while we're calling this a 2-story layout, you do have another small set of stairs that leads you up to the 2 full bedrooms. And then they share a full bathroom with glassed in, really nice, impeccable, again, spa-like bathroom there. You have a sizable primary retreat with, again, very spa-like bathroom, very sizable, the 2 sinks, the sunken tub, separate shower, plenty of room in there, walk-in closet systems throughout, solid core 8-foot doors throughout, high ceilings. Just, this is one of those homes that exudes quality through and through. Again, local custom builder, TJ Nutter. He always does a phenomenal job here on Longboat Key. It'll be an absolute pleasure for you to call me, ask me any questions about the property. I've got all the dimensions, all the details. Again, just if you're worried about hurricanes, this is an elevated home. Your premiums will be low. You've got the metal roof. So this is a home that exudes peace of mind, luxury, elegance, modern touches, very comfortable property. I would love nothing more than for you to call me, show you this home in person with a private tour. You can reach me at 941-544-7690 or email me, shaylatwitt@gmail.com, or my website, shaylatwitt.com.